going on, y'all? Y'all, so I want to make just like a really quick, easy grapevine with y'all. Okay, so this is a 14-inch round grapevine. Okay, we're gonna just make something simple. So we're gonna make a tail. This is about 14-inch tail. I just pulled. This came from my subscription box. You can go to wreathsupplybox.com and get all the information about that. So we made two 10-inch loops, and we're going to do two 11-inch loops. If you hear that sound, that is the sound of my fan. Y'all already know what season it is, so it's hot. It's hot in West Texas, y'all. Y'all, we just made a simple bow. And we're going to attach that right in there, y'all. Top left-hand corner, because that's where I usually like to see my bows. I don't know why, but I love to see my bows in that section. It's more, it's pleasing to my eye. But y'all, look how simple that bow is. Just, total of 6 loops. So, let's see. I kind of want something that's going to take up a lot of space. I think I'm going to use this one first. Oh, thank goodness he's using a new hot glue gun. Y'all, this is the first project I'm doing. I'm using my hot glue gun, my new hot glue gun with. So we're going to just go ahead and we're going to put this stem right up in there. There we go. So we're going to put one more. Okay, so we've added in our Magnolia spray. So I need to zip tie this down, y'all. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab some grapevine. Ooh. Let's see. I think I'm going to add the blue 60919. And y'all know I love to use whole stems, but on this one, I need to cut this up. There's that piece. Y'all, just a simple grapevine, you know. Yes, I'm usually the one to say, you know, use 29,000 stems or bushes in your design, but you know, sometimes I like simple ones like this too. I got all of this stuff from shoplikejordan.com, y'all. So I'm just gonna curl these up. Y'all know how like new cars have that new car smell? This glue gun has new glue gun smell. So we're adding in this 60919, which is blue. This is the blue 60919. I think shopelectron.com still has some left, y'all. I thought we had practically sold out of all of it, y'all. I know I sold out the turquoise. So just mixing in that 60919, y'all, into my Magnolia leaves there. So let's see. We're gonna use this one. I kind of like this one. Now look how simple and pretty that already looks. Now you could definitely call it a day if you wanted to. If you wanted a more simple design. So don't think that you have to add 1,000 stems into a design to make a really pretty design. So I'm just going to start adding these in as well. We're just going to go and add these, y'all. Like I said, quick, simple, easy grapevine. I mean, I really think anybody can do this. I feel like I need a tail of ribbon just to extend the length. Yeah, I love this one right here. I love the star one. And of course, I love the rickrack as well. But, let's see. Okay, so I'm just zip tying this. You can either zip tie it to the grapevine or you can zip tie it to the stem. I chose to do the stem, so just to add a little bit of length here, y'all. Like, look how simple that is.